random variable x has following probability function. They have given the x values and p of x values, which is in terms of k, but here the value of k is little bit different. So k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square is coming, 2k square is coming, and 7k square plus k is coming, but procedure is same how we have taken in the previous example. So first we need to find the value of k according to the question. Second, we need to find probability of x less than 6, then greater than equal to 6 we need to find, and we need to find the value of x which is between 0 to 5. So as per the question, I had taken that this distribution table as it is. So we know that, so we must have p of x should be greater than equal to 0, and second condition what here, summation of p of x should be 1. So always by using for k is greater than equal to 0, if it is positive this 2 will be satisfied. So by using second condition we have to get the value of k here. Now summation of p of x is equal to 1. I have taken the second condition. So left hand side it is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. 1 is summation of p of x is equal to 1. This one I have taken. So you just see that we have two kinds of k's here. One is k and another is k square. We have to add those properly. 0 leave it. So k, 2k, 2k, 3k and this k we have to add. So this will become simplification will be how much here? 9k it will be 9k. Next the remaining k are how much here? So k square we have. So how many k squares? So 1 and 2. This is 3k. 3k plus 7k. It will be 10k square equal to 1. I'll rearrange, or 10k square plus 9k equal to 1. So this has become a quadratic equation now. This equation has become quadratic equation. So you solve this quadratic equation directly or by using calculator. Just see here. So I will use this calculator. So option 5. So quadratic equation means 3, you press option 3. So coefficient of k square is 10. Press 10. Coefficient of k is what here? 1. Okay, equal to, so constant. So before this I will just rewrite. This is 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. You rewrite it, and the constant value is what here? Minus 1, and press equal to sign. So what we'll get here? So roots are, one root will be, we have two roots. So if you press, I will repeat, show once again. I have taken coefficient of k square is 10, coefficient of, next coefficient of k is 9, and the constant 9, minus 1. You will get first value as 1 by 10 and second value as minus 1. So we got k is equal to 1 by 10 and k is equal to minus 1. This minus 1 will reject because we want our k should be positive. If k is positive, then these two conditions satisfies. Okay, if k is positive, then only what here? These two conditions satisfied. If k is negative, so always remember k should be, you replace the value of k, then these values will be p of x should be greater than equal to 0, means all values of p of x should be positive. So therefore negative value of k will be rejected. Only we have to pick what here? The positive value of k in such cases. So therefore now we got the value of k. So therefore the first answer first answer is what here? K is equal to 1 by 10. We got it. Second answer, evaluate P of x less than 6 and we need to find P of x greater than or equal to 6. Both answer we need to find. Second one, what they have said, we need to evaluate P of x less than 6 and also we need to find the answer of P of x greater than or equal to 6. Okay, we'll see that one. Now P of x less than 6 from the table. So what less than 6 means, who all will come, just see here. So it will become P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5, up to P of 5 will come. So which is nothing but, according to the table, so it will be how much here? P of 0 will be 0 according to table. P of 1 is k, P of 2 is 2k, P of 3 is 2k again, plus P of 3 is 3k plus k square. Okay, so P of 0 is 0, P of 1 is k, P of 2 is 2k, P of 3 is 2k and P of 4 is 3k and P of 5 is 5k. You just refer the table and write the P of 0, what answer of in below that one, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So on simplification, how many k's? 1, 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is how much here? 8. So 8 k plus k square. But we know that what is the value of k. So value of k is 1 upon 10. So 8 divided by 10 plus k square 1 upon 10 whole square. So on simplification we'll get this as 8 by 10 plus 1 upon 100, which is nothing but 81 divided by 100. 81 divided by 100. Now this is the first part in this. Second one is P of x strictly greater than or equal to 6 they have told. So greater than or equal to 6 means who will come here? P of 6 also comes and the last one P of 7 will come. Both will come. So P of 6 is nothing but 2k square and P of 7 is nothing but how much here? According to the table it is 7k square plus k. So 2 times 1 upon 10 square, because I am replacing the value of k here, and 7 times 1 upon 10 whole square plus 1 by 10. Replace the value of k. So on simplification this completely will get here, the answer is 19 upon 100. So we got the second result. Third result we have here, we need to find. So P of x greater than 0 but less than 5. So this can be written as greater x is greater than 1, strictly greater than means it will start from P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4. I will stop here because boundary 4, it will start with 1 and end with 4 because strictly they have, if it is less than or equal to we have to include 5. So here no such condition is there. Strictly less than 5 means we have to write up to P of 4, which is nothing but P of 1 according to the table is k, P of 2 according to table is 2k, P of 3 according to table is 2k, P of 4 according to table is what here? 3k. So therefore it will be total 8k's and 8 into 1 by 10, answer is 8 upon 10, which you can, if you want, you write 4 upon 5 answer. So in this way, so these are the very important kind of examples. We have to go through the steps completely.